So we got the fill handle. It's all aluminum. Got a hook on the top, threads on the bottom. Instructions with some Teflon tape down here. Registration card. And we got the pump. So here's the pump. It's got a really nice heavy duty cable attached to it. Some fused alligator clamps, separate ground, which is interesting. So neutral, lead, and ground fused. So inline fuse right there. Nice heavy duty jacket on this, which is great. The pump itself, 8 gallons per minute, has a nice metal handle right here, nice and centered, easy to pick up, nice balanced handle right here. Mounting plate on the bottom if you want to mount it somewhere. And we've got 2 hoses. So this 3/4 inch inside diameter fuel transfer hose with static wire. And this is a 5/8 fuel hose with static wire. Both these are made in the USA. I don't know if you can see that. And that's it. So there's no pickup tube or anything. A few different installation options here. So bung mount configuration where you can kind of hard pipe it. Now, one thing that's interesting, these ports, you can actually see how you can unscrew these. So you can actually flip these around. So if you want a kind of 90-degree inlet or outlet configuration, you can actually flip these around. So that's kind of neat. You can install a nozzle boot, but that looks like that's not included in this kit anyways. So that looks like something you have to buy separate. The other option is just using the suction hose. So just popping this right into a tank and using it that way. So that's how I'm going to be using it. See, so you got black negative, red positive, and then green to ground. And then the on-off switch is right here. So here's off, here's on. So you just pop that to on, pop that off, just like that. And that's it. All right, so that's my unboxing of this Fill-Rite portable pump.